Ready to transform your WIX store from frantic to fantastic by unleashing the power of discounts? First, head over to your WIX dashboard and look for Marketing and SEO. In the left-hand menu, it's your control panel for promotional success. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from this list. Select Marketing Tools to access all the goodies you need to create your discount code. Now scroll down the Marketing Tools page until you find the coupon section. It's usually located a bit further down the page. Once you spot it, click on the Create Coupon button. Now, let's set up your coupon. Start by creating a catchy coupon code. This is what your customers will enter at checkout, so make it memorable and relevant to your promotion. Next, choose your discount type. You can offer a percentage off or a fixed amount. Enter the discount value, specifying either the percentage or the fixed amount to be deducted. Now decide what your coupon applies to. You can apply it to the entire order, specific products, or even specific categories. Tailor it to your marketing strategy. Set the validity period for your coupon. Choose the start and end dates to control how long the promotion will run. This creates a sense of urgency for your customers. Want to limit how many times the coupon can be used? You can set a limit for total uses and also restrict the number of times each customer can use the coupon. Finally, double-check all your settings. And when you are happy with everything, hit the Create Coupon button to make your discount live. And there you have it. Now get ready to see those sales soar as customers flock to your amazing deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WIX tips and tricks.